Hello and welcome back to Novarise. So today I have a very different episode, and it is actually a tour of my very first rental property, what actually started this whole journey onto my career as a real estate investor and also this channel. So I wanted to actually give you a tour and share my plans with this unit and let you give me your thoughts on what you think I should be doing with this unit. So come on in. So as you can see, this is a nicely sized 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condominium, and this is actually on the second floor. And as you can see, this is the living room area. And once you follow me into the apartment, you will see a half bath right here. And onto this, you will actually find the dining / kitchen area. And I bought this apartment back in 2015 for $90,500. And at the time, this seemed to be all right. But now that we're in 2021, some of the items that you see here in this kitchen, they seem a bit outdated, right? So if you can see, the cabinets are actually in really good condition, but I can honestly say that these handles could go away. We could replace it with something more modern. The countertop, this is actually Formica. It's still in pretty good condition. My tenant kept it, perfectly nice. She took care of this unit as if it was her own. And, but again, right now, nowadays in 2021, we like to see quartz, granite countertops and stuff like that. So I might have to, work on replacing this. The appliances, although they're working great, I have plans of replacing them into stainless steel. So we're talking about the dishwasher, the cooking range, and the microwave, and the fridge. So I just recently found out that it is customary in Alabama to not include the fridge on the unit. So everything else comes with it, but it will be my option to choose whether I want to provide a fridge or not to the tenant. So in this case, when I purchased it, the previous owner allowed us to keep the fridge. So here it is. And here's the laundry room right here, nice and spacious. That's the beauty of having a unit in Alabama. Space is actually not a limitation as compared to New York City, right? So the washer and dryer right here, nicely sized kitchen, not bad for a single person living on their own. Now that we're coming up here, we can go ahead and head up to the second floor. This is the coat closet. As you come in, it does get cold in Alabama in the winter. So it's nicely sized as well. And on the second floor, we have carpet. Right now on the first floor, what we have, it's a waterproof laminate. It looks like wood, but it's very humidity resistant, and it actually lasts longer and the quality stays longer than wood, right? So as you're coming up here, I'm actually very surprised that the carpet is still as clean as it was when I first bought it in 2015. So here's the guest room right here. And, nicely sized. You can fit a nice king size bed or even a queen size bed as well. That overlooks the parking lot on this end, but it comes with a bathroom as well. So each bedroom has their own bathroom, a nice full bath. And closet space right here, which you don't seem to get a lot of this in New York City. This one I can actually walk in and say, bye, hello, see you later. Okay, back out, right? Now, when we come out to this area, here's the master bedroom. And what makes it a master bedroom is the fact that it has a nice balcony right here, overlooking the entire yard over here. So I'm not sure what the tenant actually uses for. Maybe additional storage space, or maybe she had a small desk right here, who knows? And that's the closet space right here. Also very big. You can walk into it if you like. And, ceiling fans. This, you can see a bit of a a wear and tear because this was the master bedroom. So she lived here with her boyfriend. I don't think they ever had any roommates on the other side of the room. So you can see some spotting here in the carpet. This can be professionally cleaned and it will be back into looking all nice and white like back in 2015. So we have the master bath right here. It is a little dark. We don't have any power here because it got shut off and I forgot to turn it back on before coming in here. So apologies for that, but you kind of get the gist of it. And so let's head back down to the first floor because I actually have a question for you. Oh, one last thing I forgot. Here's the boiler. For those who are actually interested in finding out where it's located, it's right here. Now, I'm actually undecided as to what to do with this unit. There's an emotional component to it because it was obviously my very first rental that I bought back in 2015. However, the circumstances have changed, the market has changed, this unit has appreciated, and I'm actually, considering the opportunity of moving into something bigger, maybe taking the money out from this unit and then just parking it into a multifamily, possibly in Alabama, possibly in Florida. I haven't fully decided yet. So I talked about doing cosmetic renovations at the beginning of this video. So we'll be replacing the handles, giving this cabinet a nice paint of coat. This is actually real wood, not plywood or anything like that. Replacing the handles. We're gonna replace the dishwasher right here. Probably this as well. We're gonna replace the cooking range, the microwave, because they all look very dated, and the countertop. So this apartment was originally bought in 2015 for $90,500, okay? And I know it might be surprising for some of you, but you can still find units at a relatively affordable price depending on the area that you're looking in. So here in Alabama, this unit, if I choose to sell it as is, it will go for $135,000. If I choose to do all the renovations that I mentioned, the unit would actually sell for $145,000. So we're talking about a forced appreciation of $10,000. Now, how much is it gonna really cost me to get all of this done? So I already ran the numbers with my property manager. He said it would take me on average $5,000, which is not bad, for some cosmetic fixes, especially if you're getting a nice granite countertop to force the appreciation and get nice stainless steels appliances. But the question is it really worthy of my time to do that? Because the gains, as you see, it's relatively minute. So we're talking about a $10,000 difference. If I sell it now, it will be $135,000. If I renovate it, if I do the cosmetic renovations, it will go up to $145,000. But since I actually put in $5,000 of my money, that means I have to deduct the $5,000 from the $10,000 gain, and that will give me with a $5,000 profit. And that profit, it won't necessarily come to my pocket. It will most likely go to the realtor's fee because, if they're selling this property, they will have to charge a commission for the sale of this property. So I want to get your thoughts. What do you think I should do at this point? Should I sell it as it is for $135,000? That's option one. Option two, should I do the cosmetic renovation and sell it for $145,000? And option three will be to not do anything with it, rent it as it is, and it will rent for $950. Or option four, do the renovation and rent it out for $1,000 and keep the property for a longer time. So let me know what you think down in the comment box below. I can't wait to hear your opinion. And please let me know why you're choosing the option that you're choosing, okay? So I can't wait. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.